restart. Here is the super simple 4-step solution to get your terminal back. It's literally this easy. We're going to open Settings, go to Region and Language, change just one little thing, and then restart. That's it. Let's walk through it step by step. Okay, first things first. Just pop open your main system settings. All right, once you're in there, look for the Region and Language menu and go ahead and click on that. Okay, pay attention because this is the magic step. All you have to do is change the language setting to UK English. Seriously, that's the entire fix right there. And finally, the system's going to prompt you to restart to apply the change. Just hit that restart button. And that should be it. Once your system boots back up, try opening the terminal. It should pop right up. Problem solved. So what's the big takeaway here? I think it's that sometimes the most head-scratching problems have the absolute simplest solutions. It's a great reminder not to overlook the basic configuration settings when you're troubleshooting.